Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Val and welcome to an update on Dogelon Mars. Unfortunately, recently the price of Dogelon Mars has broken down this very significant support zone that starts from point double zero double zero and double zero six times zero two five double $0 and goes to double two zero five. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance. You can see that for the past few days, it is struggling to break it out. And if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that, in fact, even on the 7 days time frame chart, the price is moving below this support zone, and now it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel, and we will also take a look at this very massive breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, so far, the price line has pumped from this over here. It has pumped almost 444%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of point double zero double zero and double zero double five two zero dollar, six times zero double five two zero dollar. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now this time, despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it out. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout and this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for DSW, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 3rd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel for a while, we also broke down this up trend line support as well. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got several ejections, and finally we broke it out. And after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. By the way, this is a very long-term uptrend line support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that this support is coming from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, and then the bounce here, and then the bounce here. This was another bounce, and this was another bounce. And here, after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. And recently, after the breakout, we had another bounce from this support here in the mid of December 2024. And after that, we had a nice pump. For a while, we also broke out this very long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. That was previously working as a resistance zone here, support down here, resistance here, and resistance here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support down here as well. Therefore, now again, it can, in fact, it is working as a resistance after this breakdown. But if the price then breaks it out, then an imminent move can be possible up to this next long-term resistance of 4200. It has been previously working as a resistance here, and before that, it was working as a resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, but a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at point double zero double zero and zero five times zero double $276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.